Powua allows implementing single, centralized management of private, public, or hybrid cloud networks. It supports all service models and the main virtualization solutions, and offers the possibility of integrating resources present in internal infrastructures with resources managed by the main cloud providers. Thanks to Powua, it is possible to automate the deployment of infrastructure models, whether the in-house architecture or on the cloud. It is possible to build intelligent monitoring and prevention models, build measurement models for analyzing infrastructure consumption costs, for profit and loss models, and implement algorithms and workflows for predictive scalability. Thanks to the devising of billing models, each organization will be able to control the costs of its own infrastructure by allocating them to the units it operates. But above all, it will be able to keep the costs of the cloud providers it uses under control, thanks to sophisticated algorithms that enable it to control its actual consumption, thus making the costs presented by the provider comparable with the consumption actually measured.